Watch this Intel 27-inch iMac power and charge via USB-C. We'll convert it to a USB-C monitor with 30W pass-through. Step 1. Locate the iMac's ports on the back, Thunderbolt, mini DisplayPort, and the power connector. Step 2. Choose a USB-C video adapter that supports DisplayPort Alt Mode and 30W power pass-through. Step 3. Connect a mini DisplayPort to DisplayPort cable from the iMac to the adapter, then plug the USB-C cable into the adapter's PD input. Step 4. Attach a 30W USB-C power adapter to the adapter's PD input to enable pass-through charging. Quick check: power on the iMac, select the correct input, and confirm the signal is active. Use target display mode or your adapter's instructions to switch the iMac into external display mode for your Intel model. Before, the original mini DisplayPort input only. After, USB-C input with video plus 30W charging pass-through. Demonstration: connect a laptop and watch the charging icon confirm 30W power delivery through the USB-C line. Keep cables secured, place adapters on ventilated surfaces, and always verify adapter power ratings. If you see no signal, reseat cables, try alternate ports or cables, and ensure macOS and firmware are up to date. All set. Enjoy your iMac as a USB-C monitor with 30W charging. Like and subscribe for more tech how-tos.